to continue the fight. Well, there is just one COVID-19 patient at Hannibal Regional right now. It was the same situation exactly a year ago, but everything else couldn't be any more different.
On March 19th of 2020, the first COVID-19 patient came, and today, on March 19th, 2021, an announcement came that the COVID unit would be shut down.
WGEM's Frank Healy reports on how they celebrated the milestone with a former patient.
I spent over 5 weeks in COVID, in the COVID unit. The medication that was given to me pretty much put me in 100% myopathy, which is a word I learned while I was here.
Bob Pollard says over those nearly 3 months or 86 days in the hospital, there were times he thought he wouldn't make it.
They pushed me, they encouraged me, they prayed with me, they cried with me.
Eventually, he was able to walk and talk again, thanks to dozens of nurses and hospital staff.
The day I stood up was one of the best days of my life.
Nurses like ICU nurse Kayla Taylor. She actually came down with COVID herself early on, but when she recovered, she was eager to come back and help.
It took a lot out of you, but it was, like I said, again, rewarding coming to work every day and being able to see those patients like Bob make progress.
She says as the COVID ward closes, they will still take precautions when they do need to isolate people.
We're changing our gowns, gloves. You're just trying to reduce that risk of cross-contamination.
Todd Ahrens, CEO of the Hannibal Regional Healthcare System, says even though the ward is closing, this isn't the end of their fight with COVID-19, however.
Hopefully, people don't let off the gas, so to speak. They continue to wear masks, get vaccinated, hand hygiene, social distancing, those sorts of things.
Ahrens says the focus moving forward will be keeping numbers down, even though he says they can reopen the COVID ward if needed.
At least for the time being, we're in good shape.
As for patients like Pollard, he says he owes it all to these people who came out to reflect on the past year today.
Thank you just seems such a small word to say to you. I wish there was a more extravagant word I could use.